to get paid big money, again and again. All you have to do is sign up for this platform I haven't shown on this channel before. Follow the steps shown in this video, and you'll be able to do so. We'll let you know how soon. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up below if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified of further videos about gaming. Every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get to the tutorial so I can show you everything. In today's video, I will explain how you can make money through affiliate marketing through passive income. As an affiliate, I plan to use a site called socialplus.com as an example in this tutorial, but I want to emphasize that you do not have to use this platform, even though it is an awesome site with which you can promote anything you like as an affiliate. In fact, you don't have to promote a website. In particular, you can go on digitstore24.com or clickbank.com. To find some digital products to promote which you are promoting does not make too much of a difference with this strategy. And you will see why that is soon enough. Anyhow, I will be going along with Social Plus here. And what this is, you can see immediately when you come on their homepage. This site helps boost your rankings on both YouTube and Instagram. You can come on here and buy stuff like YouTube likes, views, comments, subscribers, or Instagram followers. And it's something worth noting is that the views, subs, and all that are 100% real. So they're not selling fake stuff whatsoever. On Instagram, for example, as you can see here, they will get you a set number of followers through promotion, meaning that they are all real followers. With that said, you can come on here and read all about this site and all the features it has to offer its customers. But since we want to promote it, they aren't really that relevant for us. And so let's get to the point. The first thing you want to do when you come on this site is click on affiliate right up here. And it's on the very next page, where you'll be able to see why this site is so good to promote as an affiliate. It offers 50% commissions, which is outright insane. The average commission rate falls literally below 30% or so. And here's this platform offering nearly double that number. The commissions are awesome, to say the least. But it only gets better from here. Since this site helps us both people on YouTube and Instagram. This means that you have a huge customer pool. Instagram and YouTube are some of the most popular websites today. And this tool is useful for people using either of them, meaning that you will have no shortage of customers. And that obviously means that you can make a lot more money than if you were promoting some other platform. Something else that is quite nice is that they offer good support, and they will pay you on time, so you don't have to wait around. Furthermore, as you can see, by scrolling down a bit on this page, Social Plus has been around for some time. They've been helping users on YouTube since 2010, and users on Instagram since 2011. So as is said here, they have a very good understanding of how both work, meaning that this is the go-to platform for people who want to boost their success on either or both of those platforms. And that means that for you as an affiliate, referring someone to here is not such a hard task. And thanks to the tool I will show you later on in the video, you'll be easily able to get traffic to your link. With all of that said, just before we move on, I want to show you real quick how much money we're talking about with this site. And I'll be using the prices of Instagram followers and YouTube views as examples, since those are the options most people go for. As you can see, as far as Instagram followers are concerned, the most expensive option is this one at $180, meaning that you as an affiliate can get paid up to $90 per single customer. So if 10 people you refer to here go for this option, then that's $900 made just like that, as far as YouTube views are concerned. And by the way, you can also see they are high retention views, which means that once again, they are not fake. The most expensive option is this one at $130. So you can make up to $65 or so per single customer, once again a very nice amount of money. In short guys, Social Plus offers an awesome affiliate program, and is a fantastic site to promote to get paid some real good money online. It looks really nice, which means since appealing to customers, it offers many different services. And it's been around for a long time, which also means that people will be more willing to give it a try. It's just an all-around great site to sign up for the affiliate program. Just come back over to this page here, then you want to scroll down just a bit until you come across this section, then just click on sign up for free. On the next page, you can see that you don't have to enter in that much info about yourself at all, just your email and password to create your brand new account. Now that you have your account on this site, It's time for me to show you where to get traffic. And I actually have two methods for you. The first one is a free method. And the second one is a paid but far more effective one, and it involves little to no work. And I will leave the decision of which one you want to go for up to you. Anyhow, the very first site you can use for traffic is YouTube. And no, we will not be creating YouTube videos. So let's make that clear right away. What you want to do on YouTube is search for how to grow on YouTube and how to grow on Instagram. Since, as you know, Social Plus helps people on both platforms. And you will now be able to find videos that literally have hundreds of thousands of views. And since both Instagram and YouTube are changing by the day, there will always be videos like this being uploaded from time to time. Anyhow, what you need to do from here is open up any one of these videos. You want to try to find the newer ones, but also make sure they have a decent number of views. Here's one I opened up as an example. And here's the thing, each and every person who commented on this video is a potential customer. Otherwise, why would someone watch such a video? There's no point. And so what you will want to do from here is click on Sort By and select Newest first, since you don't want people that commented too long ago, and you will now want to contact all of these people. And you have two ways of doing so: either reply to the comment directly, or open up their YouTube channel. For example, here's what I found. Go to the About section and then contact them via their email address, which you will be able to see by clicking right here. Now I would recommend you contact people through both of these methods. The reason is that not everyone will have an email address visible. And so what you want to do is contact them via email if it's there. And if it's not, then just reply to their comment. And depending on what video you opened up, you will say stuff like, here's a good tool for growing on Instagram, here's a good tool for getting views on YouTube. This is the best site to grow on Instagram and YouTube, and so on. Just say something along those lines and then paste the affiliate link right next to that. And you will want to repeat this process for as many of these people as you can, and on many different videos as well. Now, obviously, this will take a bit of time to work. But the best thing is that there are new comments being posted daily on these videos. And as such, you will be easily able to find potential customers to reach out to you. And if you just get like 5 people a day to purchase views, followers, or whatever on Social Plus, you can make a very decent amount of money. Definitely simply use YouTube to get traffic, and you will be able to make a very good amount of money nonetheless. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.